जाएंगे आगे जाके। कौन सा ये
जय हिंद। हाँ जी, पूरा पूजा पाठ कर रहा है।
Welcome, sir.
थैंक यू। गुड मॉर्निंग एंड जय हिंद सर। जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। काम जाना है। हाँ, और उसके बाद अभी पंचायत की भी आ गया। प्रॉब्लम किस दिन सर? जय हिंद।
Can anyone of the participants come forward to light the lamp? Any of the participants can come forward.
Thank you, dignitaries. You may now take on Patient 2025, the Student Research Convention, organized by the Association of Indian Universities and proudly hosted by Apex Professional University, Pasighat, for the East Zone. Today,
as the name signifies, a platform launched by the Association of Indian Universities in the direction of identifying and nurturing the research aptitudes of young researchers. The principal objective of convention is to strengthen the research ecosystem in higher education by capacity building and catalyzing the talents of young researchers. It is a competition wherein young researchers are invited to present their innovative research projects and showcase their talents. The competition is held in 6 areas, namely basic sciences, engineering and technology, agriculture sciences and allied subjects, health science and allied field, social sciences, humanities, business management, commerce, law and interdisciplinary research. With this, I conclude my welcome address. Once again, a very, very warm welcome to you all. Thank you very much.
thank you very much.
Okay. We are all from Advanced University, Team Hartree. I am Rajiv Sinha, undergraduate biomedical engineering student from Advanced University.
My name is Shubhajit Vishwas. I am a third year electrical engineering student from Adamas University.
So myself Joel Poddar, and I'm also a student from Adamas University, third year electrical engineering.
And I am Srijan Das, biomedical engineering student, third year from Adamas University. Thank you. Heartree, heart health monitoring system means it, and it is a smart heart health monitoring system. Means it can not only detect the parameters of cardiovascular system, it can diagnose them, and predict anything abnormalities in our heart health like BPM, SpO2, cardiac output, and ECG. And through the help of ML and DL, we can store our data in a cloud computing system, and it can detect any kind of abnormalities and help us to save many more lives. That's all. Actually, so we are using ESP32 microcontroller, which is the brain of our circuit, and this is pulse oximeter, which can measure the BPM, SpO2, and cardiac output. This is the leads of ECG, means electrodes of ECG. If we place the ECGs on our means the leads on our chest and belly, forming an Einthopian triangle, it can give us the exact graph of atrioventricular septum in the terms of PQRST. So this is our smart health monitoring system of Heartree, and it can detect any kind of abnormalities of heart in our ear. Thank you.
Treatment unit that is proposed by us in this convention. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, start. Good morning, everyone. I am Shruti Bose, and this is Chirodil Kormukar. We are the students of Janam University, and we are here to present our idea at Anveshan Research Convention 2025. So our basic idea is to create low-cost, eco-friendly biocoagulants from food waste for sustainable water treatment. So the need for this kind of project is that the global clean water supply is limited. Number 2, it is the conventional coagulants which produce toxic sludge and alter the pH. And number 3, biocoagulants offer an eco-friendly way to clear suspended particles. So we wanted to create a kind of a biocoagulant-based solution, which will be able to which can be used in place of conventional coagulants. So for this, we have taken the fruit peels and then we have grinded it into fine powder, and then we are using it to remove the turbidity from the solution. So our experimental setup includes 5 parts. So it is mainly also fruit peels, grinding and heating and everything. And then we have done the testing for turbidity meters and etc. And then we have done a cost analysis to know, and we found out that it is 2 to 3 times cheaper than the conventional coagulants used. And our target areas first is the household systems, and then we'll move on, we'll scale it up to the industrial level. And our future prospect is to create a kind of a cartridge which can be added to the water to create a healthy purify. Now I have my partner for the actual demonstration of the automation part of the system.
Okay, so let me explain how our project model works. So here is our Arduino circuit, which was formed during the designing phase. So this is realized in our model. So basically our project model has got 5 main chambers. First is the heating chamber, and this is followed by the grinding chamber. These two we have not been able to bring for some technical errors, some technical glitches. Now this will be followed when powder, after heating and grinding, this will be the form of the food pills that will be obtained here. After this, we will put some of this in our hybrid settling tank. Here in the settling tank, we will then turn this motor on. So after turning this motor on, there will be rapid stirring and then followed by a slow stirring. After that, this will be allowed to settle for about 15 minutes. So when it is settled down, this small pump at the bottom here, this will pull the water, and it will be in a separate tank. It will be the water will be deposited here. So after it will be deposited, there is a filtration chamber here through which the water will pass, and we will measure the turbidity in the 2 tanks using the module which is here in the bottom. So using this, we will actually measure it. We will see here that the 298 model and the Arduino circuit here shown. This is the one which powers this motor, the 2 motors, the one at the bottom here shown, and the pump right at the bottom here. And this is the one which dictates the signals which are sent to the motors. So this is how basically our project model works.
Our project Samhita, project title is Samhita, when culture meets sustainability. Before explaining this, let me introduce my team. She is Abdul Kumar Naik, she is Tanisha Das Mahapatra, along with Dipanjan Giri, and I am Sashwati Dixit. We are from Sriraja Chandra Maharaj Chandra Vanjadev University, Odisha. From this project, Basically, we are from Odisha. Odisha is a home to 64 tribes and 13 PVTGs, which is highest in India. We belongs to Mayurbhanj district, which have 58 tribal groups and 4 vulnerable tribal groups. They are very rich in culture, art, and natural resources. But the tribal, who are the main focuses of the Mayurbhanj district, are going through economically backwardness, low poverty. So for them, our project is eco-resort. We have made this eco-resort, which will help them give them employment, preserve their culture, and give them a sustainable lifestyle. Because here, this is a resort. This resort, the wall paintings are inspired from tribal art, Saura and Santal art. This is our museum. Inside the tribal handmade things, whatever they use, we will display this. And here the tribal houses. This house is based on a tribal theme, but the interior is completely modern based, which will help the tourist with their comfort. Here is the restaurant. In the restaurant, they will sell both the cuisines, the tribal foods as well as the normal foods, the Indian foods like the Thai chutney, which is very famous tribal food. Here we have the tribal shop. They can sell their jewelry, clothes, as well as their handcraft products. It will give them a good income sources. The main objectives of our project is to build eco-resort and promote ecotourism. We made this taking cultural heritage with modern sustainable development. And here we will want to promote this, like we can at a time use the culture and the modern facilities at a time. Thank you.
learn to language in the available. You can also take your photography in charge picture and go for it and positively reach flowers.
क्योंकि यहाँ में मेरा एक अलग से उसका एलेमेंट है, लेकिन इसका जो एडमिशन जो कार्यक्रम है यहाँ हमारे जितने क्षेत्र के सोनल नीड for just postgraduate research scholars and all. So एक अच्छा मोटिव है. मैंने उनको भी लोगों को जिस प्रकार से दर्शाया है कि यहाँ शिक्षा किस प्रकार से हम लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स में ये यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रोसेस हम लोग आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. It is a kind of एक मार्गदर्शन है, not only to the private universities but also to even the our own government universities कि किस प्रकार से हम लोग को आगे बढ़ना है. ये अच्छा चीज़ है कि यहाँ के बच्चे हैं अपने खास और लोकल वाले बच्चे हैं, लेकिन इंटरेक्शन जो जिस प्रकार से आप उड़ीसा से आए या बंगाल से आए या असम से आए या मेघालय से आए, नागालैंड से आए, इसमें इंटरेक्शन का जो है यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी एक बहुत अच्छा मैसेज जारी है. एंड वी होप दैट ऐसा काइंड ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स हर बार आए और हमको आप निमंत्रण दें.
सर, ये प्रोग्राम को लेकर प्राइवेट कॉलेज में, यूनिवर्सिटी में सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में भी आपका क्या कहना चाहिए कराने के लिए?
मैं कॉलेज में ऑलवेज इंटरेक्शन से होता है, जैसे यूनिवर्सिटी बट ऑफ कोर्स वी कांट से जैसे अरुणाचल यूनिवर्सिटी, गुवाहाटी यूनिवर्सिटी जो खासतौर हमारे जो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न जोन के अगर ऐसा काइंड ऑफ मीट्स होता है तो देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ इंटरेक्शन एंड पीपल आल्सो द चिल्ड्रन आल्सो विल गेट टू नो ईच अदर, नो अबाउट द कल्चर, द संस्कृति, द परंपरा, द सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन. सो इट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग एंड आई होप दैट द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश आल्सो टेक्स अप सच. थैंक यू. चलिए
पहले मैम आपको हमारे चैनल में स्वागत है. मैम आप ये यूनिवर्सिटी का क्या लगता है और इसमें क्या?
थैंक यू. मैं प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मौसमी चौधरी, प्रो वाइस चांसलर एकेडमिक्स ऑफ एपिक्स प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी.
मैम ये स्टूडेंट रिसर्च कन्वेंशन में कितने स्टेट का इंटरेक्शन हुआ है आज को?
ऑल टुगेदर हमारे यहाँ 191 पार्टिसिपेंट आए हैं और 5 यूनिवर्सिटी से आए हैं, 5 स्टेट से आए हैं, बिहार, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, असम एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश. बहुत बहुत बढ़िया और बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम ऑल इंडिया यूनिवर्सिटी ने इसको ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। इसके पैट्रोनोज में एपेक्स प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज़ प्रोग्राम को होस्ट कर रही है और ये जो हमारा आजकल ग्लोबल लोकल फॉर ग्लोबल कॉन्सेप्ट प्रधानमंत्री जी का है, उसी कॉन्सेप्ट को बढ़ावा देने के लिए कि फ्रॉम द बेसिक एजुकेशन द स्टूडेंट्स कैन इनोवेट देयर रिसर्च आइडियाज़ और उसको कैसे हम प्लेटफॉर्म पे ला सकते हैं। तो ये यंगस्टर्स के लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहा है अन्वेषण कि वो अपने आइडियाज़ इनोवेटिव थॉट को प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं हमारे एजुकेशन कम्युनिटी के बीच में।
मैम एज प्रोफेसर आप पार्टिसिपेंट से क्या विशेष रहेगा आपकी तरफ से?
मेरा मैसेज यही है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू पासीघाट एंड वेलकम टू एपेक्स प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी। और दूसरा मैसेज यही करना चाहूँगी कि पुट ऑल योर प्रोवोकिंग थॉट्स इनटू योर presentation and model that you have bring here from such a far distance। आप जो इतनी दूर से आए हैं तो उसको nicely present कीजिए and enjoy the hospitality of Apex।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
पहले तो आपका हमारे शो में स्वागत है। आपको आज का पार्टिसिपेंट होके आपको कैसा लग रहा है ये प्रोग्राम में मौजूद होके?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। दिस इज़ अ बिग प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर अस फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स। हमें इतना अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला अपना आइडिया को, अपना रिसर्च आइडिया को और थोड़ा बेटर करने के लिए डेवलप हो के इधर आए हैं। डेफिनेटली वी आर गोना परफॉर्म आवर बेस्ट। दिस इज एक्चुअली दिस सिस्टम इज वेरी गुड फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स। दिस इज गिव अस अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शोकेस आवर टैलेंट।
आप कौन सा यूनिवर्सिटी जाए?
हमारा श्री रामचंद्र मंजूदेव यूनिवर्सिटी।
अब डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से है बिना ऐसा?
हाँ, हम डिपार्टमेंट एंथ्रोपोलॉजी एंड ट्राइबल स्टडीज से